Sad because you have 0 TikTok coins and you're really sad because you can't donate to your favorite streamers. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free TikTok coins on your phone in 2024 without jailbreaking. So as you can see, guys, my coins are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton completely for free. So let's get right into the video, guys, and I'm going to show you my method, which I've been using for many years to get free TikTok coins. Guys, so as you can see at the moment, I have 17,500 TikTok coins on the TikTok account that I'm using for this video. So I'm going to show you guys how to get free TikTok coins right now. First things first, guys, we need to go to this website called ZooMods, which has a ton of mods for apps and games. It's a pretty cool website. So once you're on the site, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in TikTok. As you can see, it says TikTok coins mod, pretty self-explanatory. Press the download button and just wait for it to download. So this will download the free TikTok coins onto your phone, the mod or whatever. So be sure to go ahead and try this out. I have been looking for these across the internet. Most of them are just dead ends, but this one actually works. Now, if you go to the App Store, guys, and type in TikTok, you can see that the coins are not exactly that affordable, which is quite sad. So as you can see, guys, if we go down to the in-app purchases, you can see they're super expensive. So if you do want to get free coins, guys, you need to go to the ZooMod. So be sure to go ahead and try this out, guys. It's super insane and this actually works. I was able to get so many coins with this method, guys. It is wild, bro. Look, I got 17,500 TikTok coins. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane and it's updated and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. This is super insane, guys. And yeah, I don't have to do anything annoying or anything like that. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, get the word out. This is super cool, guys, and fully works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, because I know there's lots of people out there that need TikTok coins, and I understand your dire situation because they're not, as I just showed you, very cheap. So be sure to go ahead and try this out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, get the word out. If this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super, super cool, guys. So I will see you later. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, so enjoy it and have fun.